Will your savings account be taxed? On today's episode of FAQ, this guy asked, "Hello sir, please make me understand this new tax policy on savings accounts and not earnings. First, will it affect deduction on money already saved in the accounts? And second, the transactions made into the account after the implementation next year. What will be the tax deduction on transactions entering?" For the first question, the fact is there has always been income tax before now. The only difference is, before now, what was used is best of judgment, which means you go and tell the tax people what you aim, especially when it comes to your income. But right now, there are stricter measures for enforcement. Even your bank is mandated to notify the taxman once your transaction as an individual crosses 25 million. That said, with regards to your savings, taxing your savings simply means they are taxing you from inception. It's as good as taxing you from the day you were born. So nobody's going to tax you on your entire savings. What will be done, since we will be in 2026, you'll be taxed based on transactions for 2025, what we accounting people like to call the 2025 financial year. Please note, if you are a company, you can be taxed from inception. But as an individual, I can tell you from experience that you don't be accessed beyond the previous year. This means only transactions for 2025 will be considered for taxation. For the second question, which relates to going forward, besides transactional charges or taxes, if you like to call them that, such as the 15 naira for every transaction that exceeds 10,000 naira, tax deduction will be based off of personal income tax calculation. Please note, it is not automatic, meaning they will not just deduct this money from your account. You are expected to file, declare your earnings and file. I have a video on my page that talks about how personal income tax is calculated. If you're not already following me, that would be a good time so I can get to 10K and create a series. My recommendation, unless you're a staff that is already taxed, I would recommend that you open a limited liability company. This way, you have more deductions to the income coming into your account. Stop doing business with your personal account, because with the limited liability account, you have access to more deductible. I'll do a more detailed video regarding this. Again, nobody will automatically deduct tax from your bank account. You're expected to state your income and file. The problem will be if you understate your income, they can call you for reassessment and assess you based on the information they have, maybe from your bank. I hope this helps. My name is Mena and I have read the tax law so you don't have to.